Space is vast, it's filled with stars, planets, and galaxies, but it's also full of something else: interstellar dust. This dust is made of tiny particles, they float between the stars. Think of interstellar dust like fog in space. This fog is very thin, but it can block our view of distant objects. Understanding this dust is important for astronomers. It helps us study the universe more clearly. Interstellar dust plays many roles. It helps stars form, it can tell us about the history of galaxies. By studying this dust, we learn more about the universe. What is interstellar dust made of? It's a mix of different things. Most of it is made of elements like carbon and oxygen. These are common elements found in stars. The dust also contains tiny bits of rock and ice. These are called silicates and ices. They form in the outer layers of dying stars. When these stars explode, they scatter dust into space. Supernova explosions are important. They create and spread heavy elements. These elements become part of new stars and planets. Dust is like the building blocks of the universe. Interstellar dust affects how we see the universe. When light passes through the dust, it gets scattered and absorbed. This makes distant objects look fainter. This effect is called extinction. It's like looking through a haze. The more dust there is, the dimmer the objects behind it appear. Astronomers have to account for this when they study distant objects. Dust also makes light look redder. This is called reddening. It happens because blue light is scattered more than red light. So, objects behind dust look redder than they really are. Interstellar dust plays a crucial role in star formation. Clouds of gas and dust are called nebulae. These nebulae are the birthplaces of stars. Gravity pulls the dust and gas together. As the cloud collapses, it heats up. Eventually, the core gets hot enough to ignite nuclear fusion. A star is born. Dust also helps to cool down the gas in nebulae. This allows the gas to clump together more easily. Without dust, it would be much harder for stars to form. Interstellar dust is a fascinating subject. It may seem insignificant, but it plays a vital role in the universe. It's a reminder that even the smallest things can have a big impact.